All right, in this unit, Unit 5, we're going to be writing lots of chemical equations that represent chemical reactions that can take place. So the most fundamental way to look at a chemical equation as written on paper is just to think about reactant chemicals on the left side of this arrow and product chemicals on the right side of the arrow. The arrow is representing just the idea that some chemistry is taken place here. Okay, some things to think about with reactants and products are like this. So products are made from the same elemental substances as the reactants were, but the elemental substances are put together differently. And that means that the products will have different chemical formulas than the reactants did. And that's what really signifies that some chemistry has occurred. So here's a chemical equation written out. And here we have reactant compounds of copper 2 phosphate and iron 3 sulfide. These don't always have to be compounds as reactants. They can just be elemental substances, but mostly we'll see them as compounds. And some chemistry takes place here over the course of this arrow, and we make these new substances made from the same elements, copper, phosphate, iron, and sulfur. They're just recombined in different ways. You know, they've got different chemical formulas, and so that's the way a chemical reaction will end up looking.